How to put a password on your Netflix profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can put a password on our Netflix profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, putting a password on our Netflix profile is fairly simple and possible even from the app. Now, all you have to do is open up the Netflix application and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Netflix is consisted of profiles and you can choose to lock a certain profile over here just like this. So to lock a certain profile, all you have to do is tap on the edit button from the top right hand side of the screen. Then just select a certain profile that maybe you would like to lock. After that, here you can see the option called profile lock. So tap on profile lock, tap on create profile lock button over here. After you do that, all you have to do is simply make sure to first of all enter your Netflix account password to confirm it. Tap on the enter button, then select a 4-digit pin that you would like to use for this, and this profile will get successfully locked. That's all it takes to put password on your Netflix profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.